Good evening, traders. Welcome back to the channel. This is Vishal, and you're watching Nifty and Banknifty short-term view. Now we can see that we have a blow-off rally in almost every sectoral indices in the markets. Nifty has been able to close at 20,855, and Banknifty has closed at 47,000, just above 47,000 levels. If you remember in my previous video, which I shared with all of you on Sunday, I had clearly shared that once Bank Nifty starts trading above this high, we will be able to test 45,400 or maybe slightly higher. But who knew that due to the positive election results, Bank Nifty might open above that target and it would rally consistently. Now, apart from this RSI, which I generally have in all of my videos, today I have one more indicator over here, and this is a volatility based indicator. This is the ATR. Now you can see just within the matter of 2 days how ATR has jumped in Bank Nifty from 388 to a matter of 529, and in Nifty the volatility has shot up from 140 points to around 167 points. So which clearly means the volatility is on the rise, especially in the Bank Nifty. And apart from this volatility, I'll just close this indicator now. Apart from this volatility, we can see that RSI in Nifty is at 83. In the hourly time frame charts, we can see that the hourly RSI is at 87, 88. And the trend, speaking about the trend is surely up. It's in a strong uptrend. But if you check the difference between the price and the moving averages, it's way, way higher. And it is a clear vision which shows us that this is not a very good time for any long positions, especially new long positions. If you're holding any old long positions, any breakouts, then yes, you can continue holding them with a trailing stop loss and you can exit possibly when your trailing stop losses are hit. If you have initiated any trades in derivatives as a swing trader, or as a short-term momentum trader, and if you're making handsome profits, it also makes sense to book at least partial profits over here. Yes, there could be few trades here and there, might be in indexes like Bank Nifty or something, where there are few stocks which are coming out of a very long consolidation. One of the stocks like that is IDFC First Bank. Now this particular stock is trying to come out of a long consolidation, you can see. And if you have a pretty decent big green candle above 91 or 92, then yes, this could result in a pretty good uptrend. But majority of the stocks, if you check in the overall markets, are probably overstretched apart from the IT pack. IT pack has given a very good breakout, but it has not been able to continue on the upside with momentum. Now, if you look at Bank Nifty has shot up, closed above this trend line resistance just within a day, and now we have a high wave candle over here. High wave candle is generally a sign that the overall index is tired to go up and the index is nearly near resistance. The today's high is almost near 47,228 and the resistance comes at 47,475. So we are very near to the resistance. Even the the hourly RSI is at 82 and it made a high of 92, which is extremely overstretched. The daily chart RSI in Bank Nifty is at 79, which means almost close to 80. Not a very good time to initiate new long positions. We surely need a decent consolidation in the markets so the volatility comes down, the risk reward ratio for swing trader becomes better, and it is very difficult generally when we have seen a very steep rally. Even psychologically, it's not very easy to initiate new long positions in the market. Yes, as I told just before a few minutes, that if there are stocks in few indexes like banking, where there are stocks which have come out of a very large consolidation and suddenly they are giving a breakout, then that is a very different scenario. But buying at this juncture would not make a sense. So wait patiently, keep trailing your stop losses, book partial profits if you're having any, and wait for better opportunities in terms of risk reward ratios to re-enter the market. All right. So I hope this video has helped you to understand how one should be trading in the markets in next few days. Try to share these videos with other traders also if you find this video extremely helpful. Trade well. Thank you.